Listening comprehension. This is the listening section of the test. There are 3 parts to this section. Part 1. Directions. You will see a picture in your test book, and you will hear 4 short statements. Look at the picture in your test book and choose the statement that best describes what you see in the picture. Then, mark your answer on your answer sheet. Now, let us begin Part 1 with question number 1. Number 1. Look at the picture marked number 1 in your test book. A.
A child has given some money to the musician.
B.
A crowd has gathered around the musician.
C.
The orchestra is playing some music.
D.
The musician is holding an instrument.
Number 2. Look at the picture marked number 2 in your test book. A.
They are waiting for the bus.
B.
They are walking through a wood.
C.
They have lost their way.
D.
They are crossing the street.
Number 3. Look at the picture marked number 3 in your test book. A.
The animals are in a cage.
B.
The cage is open.
C.
The birds are in their nest.
D.
The animals are drinking.
Number 4. Look at the picture marked number 4 in your test book. A. The man is playing the piano. B. He is typing letters. C. He is facing a screen. D. The computers are out of order. Number 5. Look at the picture marked number 5 in your test book. A.
The people are getting off the bus.
B.
The people are boarding the bus.
C.
The bus driver is speaking to a passenger.
D.
The doors are not open.
Number 6. Look at the picture marked number 6 in your test book. A.
They are hunting.
B.
They are sailing.
C.
They are frying fish.
D.
They are fishing.
Number 7. Look at the picture marked number 7 in your test book. A.
The birds are making a nest.
B.
The birds are all on the steps.
C.
A woman is feeding the birds.
D.
The birds are in a cage.
Number 8. Look at the picture marked number 8 in your test book. A. There is a spoon in the cup. B. The saucer is under the cup. C. The saucer is above the cup. D. The cup is empty. Number 9. Look at the picture marked number 9 in your test book. A.
The girls are sitting next to one another.
B.
They are facing a building.
C.
They are studying.
D.
They are looking at a map.
Number 10. Look at the picture marked number 10 in your test book. A.
The cars are waiting at the traffic lights.
B.
The cars are parked.
C.
The cars are packed.
D.
The traffic is congested.
Number 11. Look at the picture marked number 11 in your test book. A.
The bottles are in boxes.
B.
The bottles are lined up.
C.
Only one bottle is labeled.
D.
The bottles are broken.
Number 12. Look at the picture marked number 12 in your test book. A. The table is empty. B. There are several bottles on the table. C. There aren't any glasses on the table. D. The table has been set. Number 13. Look at the picture marked number 13 in your test book. A,
The woman is riding a bicycle.
B,
The woman is reading a book about bicycles.
C,
The woman is getting rid of her bicycle.
D.
The bicycle is in front of a bus.
Number 14. Look at the picture marked number 14 in your test book. A,
The woman looks at the items.
B,
The woman is looking at the items.
C,
She is entering the store.
D.
She is leaving the store.
Number 15. Look at the picture marked number 15 in your test book. A,
The man is filming a scene.
B,
The man is watching a movie.
C,
They're filling out forms.
D.
They're exchanging films.